And at the end, we relax the wrist. With a secondary cut, they simply ask this question. Show it practically. It is eliminated by a secondary cut when it comes out clean. If there were an edge, the chisel wouldn't go through like this. An incorrect cutting system leads to these kinds of defects. That's why you need to understand exactly where and what to cut. Or I'll show this in more detail in the next lessons. What's the difference